Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how do you use Klarna on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the Klarna application on your phone, or you can also what you can do use the new web browser or Chrome browser extension, which is this one here. So you can use your use the extension and add it to your Chrome, so you can use that. So either way, so what are you going to do? So once you have opened up your application, search for under on Klarna application, search for Amazon. So right, search for Amazon. So once you select Amazon, when you search for it and get to Amazon, so what are you going to do? So you go to do your shopping, like start adding stuff in your carts or whatever from Amazon you want to buy. So you want to make the purchase, just add it to your cart. And then once you're done, just go to your card. So go to your shopping cart, and then once you get to your checkout page there, so what are you going to do? You're going to tap up the option called pay with K, which is Klarna, pay with Klarna button. Okay, so at the bottom of the app there, so choose the uh, pay with K option. All right, so once that's done, then what happen you can do now here, you can now use Klarna to split the cost of your purchase into four smaller interest-free payments and pay, which can be paid every 2 weeks. So instead of paying the whole thing, so you're going to split the payment into smaller installments, and then which can be paid every 2 weeks. So that's how Klarna works, and that's how you can make use of Klarna on Amazon. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this information is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.